Look at you two cuties. You going smiles? Oh, really?
Hey, okay.
Is that right?
Okay, Benjamin. Okay. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Is that so? Are you taking a video?
Uh-huh.
I was gonna say you should totally take a video instead of pictures, but I realized I wasn't hearing a click, click, click sound.
Look at you. Aren't you guys so adorable?
And my beautiful girl, my handsome boy. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Yeah?
Talking away.
What are you doing talking to Benjamin? Talk to your sister. Tell her to talk too.
You gonna talk too? Hey, Kyler? I heard you talking before.
Feet.
You guys running there? Doing a marathon? Hey? You guys doing a marathon? Yeah, look at you go. Hi. Hi. Hey, sweetie. Here's a smile. These are big smiles. These are big smiles. Oh, gone now.
Hi.
I think he's looking right at the camera.
Yeah. Usually he doesn't like the camera. It seems like
That's
it
what he's
scares
looking
him
at, too.
sometimes.
Oh, he just burped. It's definitely what he's looking at. Yeah, that's definitely what you're looking at, isn't it? What about you? You see it too? Do you see it too?
Hi.
What's that? Yeah, you see it too. Must be the Apple logo on the back.
Oh, probably, yeah.
It's nice and shiny. Except I gotta stand back here to get the both of you.
My little darlings. Oh, my little darlings.
Says, yes, I am, Mom.
Hi. Hi, Ben. Hi. Dorn started waving now a little bit.
Yeah.
It's funny because when I came in today, I seen Ben laying on the couch and I waved at him like this and he was like... like his little Superman stretch. It looked like he was waving back at me for a second.
Little legs going.
Oh, look at you, Kyler. You're so silly. You're such a silly girl.
Is that right? Oh, Kyler kicking you. Says, hey, don't kick me, Kyler. Don't kick me. Is that what were you doing when you were roommates too? Hey, is that how you were when you were roommates? Was she kicking you all the time too? You were down at the bottom being kicked. Yep, I know you were. Yeah, and she's still doing it, isn't she? Yep, she's still kicking you. Yeah, she's still kicking you. Look at that. Says, Mom, she's kicking me. Look at that.
That's not nice. That's when you go like this, see? There.
There.
Now you guys can play footsies. Huh?
Except I can't get the both of them now.
There you go. Are you playing footsies? Or are you playing kick each other in the crotch?
Benjamin's, hey, I found a hand.
I had them laying beside each other today on the bed when I came in from I'd bring Carol down for a physical.
She doesn't look like she's getting uncomfortable anymore. Oops.
When I